Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Whimsical Tutorial 2025, the best tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts. Whether you are mapping user journeys, designing product workflows, building wireframes, or creating organizational charts, Whimsical has become a go-to visual collaboration tool in 2025. With its clean interface, collaborative features, and diverse diagramming options, it empowers teams and individuals to think visually and work faster. This tutorial will walk you through the essentials of using Whimsical in 2025. Perfect for beginners ready to create professional diagrams, wireframes, and flowcharts with ease. What is Whimsical? Whimsical is a web-based. Whimsical is a web-based visual collaboration tool that helps users create flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and sticky notes, all in one place. It is ideal for product managers, designers, developers, and teams who need to brainstorm, organize, and communicate ideas quickly. Why use Whimsical in 2025? User-friendly interface, real-time collaboration, keyboard shortcuts for speed, templates to get started quickly, clean, professional visuals without design skills required. Getting started with Whimsical. Step 1. Create a free account. To begin, visit whimsical.com. Sign up using Google, Apple ID, or an email address. Choose a workspace name. You can create separate workspaces for personal or team projects. The free plan allows limited boards per month, while the Pro plan unlocks unlimited boards and advanced features. Step 2. Create your first board. Once login, number 1. Click New Board. Number 2. Choose a board type, flowchart, wireframe, mind map, sticky notes, doc, text notes plus visuals. Let's start with a flowchart, the most common use case. Creating a flowchart in Whimsical. Step 3. Add flowchart elements. Once inside the flowchart board, you will see a blank canvas and a toolbar on the left. From there, you can drag and drop shapes like rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decisions, circles for start or end points, lines to create, click plus drag any shape onto the canvas. Double-click to edit the text. Use the connectors two dots on shapes to create arrows between elements. Tips. Press Tab to duplicate a shape with a connector. Use Command or Control plus D to duplicate elements. Select multiple items using Shift plus click. Step number 4. Customize styles. Though Whimsical favors a minimal aesthetic, you can personalize shapes. Colors. Click the color dot above a selected shape. Borders. Thin, thick, or dash styles. Text size. Adjust using the formatting bar. Icons. Add from Whimsical's large icon library for visual context. Consistency in color and shape improves readability. Use to represent different types of processes or departments. Creating a wireframe in Whimsical. Wireframes are essential for designers and developers to prototype websites and apps. Whimsical's wireframe mode includes drag and drop elements like buttons, input fields, navigation bars, mobile device frames, images, and placeholders. How to wireframe. Number 1. Create a new board. Select wireframe. 2. Drag UI elements onto the canvas. 3. Arrange components into a page layout, home, login, checkout, etc. Pro tip. Combine wireframes with flowcharts to demonstrate user journeys and interface functionality. Mind mapping in Whimsical. Mind maps are great for brainstorming, planning, or organizing thoughts. 1. Create a new board. Select Mind map. 2. Type your central idea. 3. Press Tab to add a subtopic. 4. Use Enter to add sibling nodes. You can also recolor branches, move nodes freely, link ideas across branches, collapse or expand nodes for focus. This feature is especially useful for content planning, product roadmaps, or academic outlining. Sticky notes for agile workflows. Whimsical Sticky Notes board replicates physical brainstorming but with digital efficiency. 1. Create a sticky note board. 2. Click to add color-coded notes. 3. Group notes by categories or columns. Example, to do, in progress, done. Use it for sprint planning, retrospectives, mood boards, brainstorms. You can also assign different team members to notes using @mentions or color schemes. Using Docs in Whimsical. The Docs feature allows you to combine rich text with diagrams, flowcharts, wireframes, and sticky notes inside a single document. This is perfect for project documentation, feature specs, onboarding guides, process explanations. You can embed diagrams directly inside paragraphs, sticky notes for visual cues, comments for collaborative editing. Docs are a powerful hybrid of writing and visual storytelling. Collaborating in Whimsical. Whimsical makes real-time collaboration easy and efficient. Sharing a board. Click the Share button in the top right. Choose from Invite by email, Shareable link, View or Edit access. Export as PNG, PDF, or SVG. Commenting. Use the comment icon, speech bubble to leave feedback on any element. Tag teammates using @name. Threads keep discussions organized. This is incredibly useful for design reviews, process alignment, and async collaboration. Keyboard shortcuts for power users. Speed up your workflow using these popular keyboard shortcuts. Shortcut, Tab, Action, create a child shape or node. Shortcut, Enter. Action, create a sibling shape or node. Shortcut, Command or Control plus D, duplicate selection. Shortcut, Command or Control plus Z, action, undo. Shortcut, Command or Control plus Shift plus Z, action, redo. Shortcut, Command or Control plus C or V, action, copy or paste. Shortcut, Alt plus drag, action, duplicate while dragging. You can view the full list in the Whimsical Help Center or by pressing !mark on your keyboard. Templates, save time and stay consistent. Whimsical offers a variety of pre-built templates, flowchart templates, process maps, onboarding flows, wireframes, login pages, dashboards, mind maps, strategic planning, content outlines, agile boards, Kanban, retrospectives, org chart, and customer journeys. To use, number 1, click templates from the dashboard. 2, select a category. 3, customize it to fit your needs. Templates are perfect starting points and ensure visual consistency across projects. Use cases by role. For product managers, build user journey maps, prioritize features with sticky notes, combine docs plus flowcharts to write specs. For designers, wireframe prototypes, collaborate on UI feedback with comments. Use color-coded diagrams for design systems. For developers, visualize system architecture, collaborate with product and design teams, embed flowcharts in documentation. For teams, plan sprints using sticky notes, run async brainstorms, share flowcharts in Notion or Confluence. Integrations and export options. As of 2025, Whimsical integrates with Slack, get notified of board changes, Notion, embed live boards, Confluence, add diagrams to docs, Figma, collaborate across design tools, export options, PNG for presentations, PDF for documentation, SVG for design handouts. You can also embed boards into websites or wikis with iframe links. Pricing plans in 2025. Whimsical's pricing is simple. Free plan, up to 3 boards per user. Pro plan, $12 per user per month. Unlimited boards, advanced permissions, version history. Team plan, includes admin tools and billing. The Pro plan is ideal for freelancers or power users, while the Team plan is great for growing companies. Final thoughts. Why Whimsical in 2025? In a world full of complex diagramming software, Whimsical wins with its balance of simplicity, speed, and visual elegance. Whether you are planning a product, mapping a process, or brainstorming a campaign, Whimsical gives you the clarity and collaboration you need, all in one lightweight tool. Its versatility across diagrams, wireframes, mind maps, sticky notes, and docs makes it a central hub for teams to ideate, build, and align visually. With continual updates, thoughtful design, and responsive performance, Whimsical remains one of the best tools for visual thinkers in 2025. And that is all there is on Whimsical Tutorial 2025, the best tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts. Thank you so much for watching. And please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.